it's a girl Crystal, and I am back again with another video, guys. I hope you all enjoy your Easter holiday because mine is so angry, guys. Because I come for address as in see that the description my YouTuber when you're Maddy taki. So I see me come for. So guys, notice if you're new over the channel, you wanna come and guys, notice to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell, guys. So whenever I post, you'll be notified. And guys, please get into the one and watch the video to the end.
Yeah, you're the one for me. You're the one for me. You're the one. All the signs say that ever since the day.
I'm not come normal today. I don't come normal on the video in the Easter, in the Easter Monday. I'm not come normal. I come for the girl, the dry head girl, taki. My girl, go and go sit down, my girl, because I'm tell you something, girl. You don't know nothing about badness, my girl. You don't know nothing about madness. And you know the reason why I'm not girl to attack you in the month in the Easter, girl. Because I try you never really come back out at me. Because I see if I did ever try it, when me do, I would have find you, see girl and wheel. I would have pluck every strand out your head, girl. Remember me tell you say the wrong somebody you are with, my girl. The wrong somebody you play with it. You want to hear the girl too. My girl, just go and go sit down. Because if them are two and you ever touch your girl, you know, you never live to tell a story. You would never live to tell a story. And don't make back no more video with me. Just cut the video in thing about me. Or me, I will cut it about you. Because, girl, you lie. You very lie. You lie bad. I text up on the gram, girl, and I ask about something. Couldn't just simply say, you are go collect the money or you're not going to do it. And you know, see, you don't insult me. You don't insult me. You don't insult me. And yourself you insult, girl. You don't insult me. Taki, you know what you know about badness? Maca head, girl, what you know about badness? Yam foot. Sweet potato head, girl, what you know about badness? You know nothing about badness, my girl? Stop the badness. My girl, me tell you something. You see last year, me in a beer ups and downs with people. I go round and round like a merry-go-round. You see this year, me keep me calm and me decide say this year me not in a nothing with nobody. Nothing me decide man say this year I go be the year when me I go change. Me not in a no ups and downs and a merry-go-round with nobody, my girl. So you see if you come for me, you should have blood clot come last year. Me not in a nothing with nobody, girl. This the area. I just have to come adjust you and make you know your place, girl. I have to make you know stay in your lane. You have to stay in your lane. Yeah? You have to stay in your lane, girl. Because me I tell you, say, girl, you don't know one time my head mad, my girl. I rang somebody I deal with. You don't know nothing about me, my girl. But, you know, bad girl, I mean, bad your fuck. Go sit the fuck down. Go and sit down, girl. You don't know nothing about badness. Nothing at all you don't know. I'm not even go waste. You know, say, in the Easter, we should find something more reasonable to do with my time. Instead of sit down and argue with the scumbag here. I should find something reasonable to do with my time more than sit down and argue with your girl. Because you come like a big buck. You come like a garbage truck of rubbish. That's all you're coming like me song and waste time with a girl. You come like a big full of garbage truck of rubbish, girl. Yeah? And me sing here so I waste time with you. Oh, silly me. Lord God. But me as a married girl, you see? Me not in a nothing with you, girl. Me and you don't in a nothing. And this is my last video, girl. Because me not go sing and yo, me not beat up my mouth pan girl, yeah? Me not beat up my mouth pan girl nor a boy. You see if a girl or a boy feel like they bad my girl and they want to touch me, girl, you can chat all you want chat in my girl. Because you see if you don't hold me so nor do so, you can chat anything what you want, girl. Because nobody not afraid of you. Nobody not afraid of you, girl. So all you did, yeah. Bad girl, I mean, sit the fuck down. Yeah. So anyways, guys, we just want to adjust this little matter, as me say, with this scumbag. Okay, guys, and guys, I hope so no enjoy on the Easter because mine's me don't go to beach today, but because me a rubber, me don't want the salt water because I know say salt water and bleaching don't agree. Yeah, and we not go for a resort till all way down in this year. So guys, we have a peaceful, a nice, splendid Easter, and guys, be safe and please remember, don't make the police get you in the mask because you know so them are growing to arrest people for mask, guys. So, and guys, please remember again to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys, to my YouTube channel. Leave a like, a comment, guys, hit the notification bell so whenever I post, guys, you'll be notified I'm out.
Tell that bitch I'm Oprah, she couldn't even be Gail. I'm me.